can see we're going away again. Yes. Welcome to Greek. Green. Bonita. Whatever. Welcome to Athens, Greece. Yes, people, let me give you a room tour of this hotel room. Even though I don't really like it, it's looking cozy, but I don't know why. This toilet reminds me of some pretty shit. Old bathroom, but I don't know, you get what you pay for. Big red, guess that's what it's called. Shower, it's clean though, I ain't gonna lie. It's clean and smell away, funny, but it's clean. But yeah, I guess that's the Greek way. Not my style, but yeah, Greek style. But yeah, I don't know. What the hell is that? It's cold, man, it's cold. It is cold, it's 10. I thought they said it was right near there. Look what I got. I don't know, what's this? That's some switch. Got coffee maker. Got all vinyl here with Diana and Marvin Gaye. Look. Look at this. I'll give this come in your room. So I can listen some tune. Some Marvin Gaye and Diana Ross. There's a record. I'm gonna try it still. Not now. But yeah. Turkish tea is safe. Like a fridge. The bed look nice, cozy still. Bed look nice and cozy. Got a little table, office table. Yeah, it's just the floor. The floor and the wall that bring the place down. Well, I guess it's Greek. That's all it is. The wall, fucking plastering and paint. I've been seeing a lot of old buildings around here, like ancient. I guess everything around in Greek ancient, ain't it? The Greek gods. Yeah, I don't like this floor. This floor look funny. But I guess that's just part of the character of the place. So you've got this old phone. I get to my kids, them don't even know what's this. Eh? Back in the days, classic. What's this? Mild anti-wet wipes. Oh, I got a complimentary bottle of water. I got the lights here. Oh fuck, this shit start breaking already. I start to touch it. Fucking right. Oh yeah, I'm feeling heat now. Fucking hell, it was cold in here. I was wondering if no heat in here, but yeah, them shit blowing heat. So it look nice, go room heat up quick. Let me show you my outside view. Outside view. Look a chair. Got 2 chair, ashtray. Can combine my spliff out, yeah. Yeah. I'm all the way up here. And I got a view. See the view. Greek view. Greece. I got a nice side view still. Well, give and take. My last place in Portugal didn't have no view, but it was nicer than this. But I had no private balcony like that. It was like that's on the back. Yeah, nice. I'm gonna go out there, go walking a bit, but it's friggin' cold. Oh, it's like England. I thought it was supposed to be hot. But yeah, people, nice quick tour. Nice room. Not too bad. I mean, need to go get some food. Yeah. Yeah, but it's just, but you can see, I think they just leave the wall like that for character. But fucking hell. Plaster and paint. I guess this old ruins. The paint up there, look. They got red paint up there. And the ceiling red. But the walls then is just old characters. Yeah. They got some of these funny switches. What's that? Turn that off. Oh, that off. Just turn this down. Oh, that off. I got pure light spread. Look at these switches. Retro switch. Got look a fridge. The chair look like it got it. Yeah, I need a new chair, mate. The fuck is they been doing in this? Somebody been biting up this chair or something? Ah, they got rays on the back. Fuck. This the heater. Turn up the heater from here. I guess some fire in there, so I don't know. But I turn it up from here. These are switches. Look, that turn off that. That turn off the bathroom. And that turn off that. Okay. Bathroom. Can turn the bathroom off. Yeah, and I'm chill.